What is going on, everybody? It is Fitz, the E30, and a whole bunch of orders that need to go out. So I just wanted to show you guys really fast how I package and prepare your orders. Later today, we're gonna take an E30 wheel to go get a tire put on it, put in different springs in the rear to raise it a little bit, and then make sure everything's good on the E30. Let's dive right into today's video, boys. So what happens is I print out an order, we write down what goes in the order, and I toss it in this bag. From here, I'm gonna fold up this little packing slip, toss it in a packing slip, stick it to the package, and we are good to go. That will be ready to be sent out. And boys, just like that, one order is ready to go out. We gotta knock out the rest of these, as well as 3 international orders, and then we are taking them to the post office. Let's do it. Alright boys, and just like that, all of the orders are taken care of. All the domestic orders, I should say, all the international orders are gonna go out tomorrow because somehow I didn't charge them for shipping. But anyways, we do have a couple of shirts and stickers left in stock, probably about half to a third. So if you guys have not got a shirt, if you guys have not got a sticker, and you are looking to support your boy, go down in the description below and go get a t-shirt or a sticker. But I just want to let you guys know it is greatly appreciated, 1, for all my orders, and 2, that you guys are here watching the video with me here today. Let's take the E30 wheel, get a tire put on it, come back and raise this thing.
Just gonna look at it. Thank you for coming to the flame. Can I help you?
Hey there, I was calling to see if you guys had any tires in stock. It's gonna be a 195 45 15.
195 45 15?
Yes sir.
No sir, we actually don't have any at the moment.
Damn, alright, I will figure it out.
Alright, no problem.
Thank you. Alright, well, that sucks. Gotta find a tire. I have now called probably 4 or 5 other tire shops, and nobody has a 195 45 15. And the poor Walmart lady came back and was like, "Are you sure that's the size?" I was like, "Yeah, like I promise." And she was like, "Yeah, we ain't got none of those." But we are gonna still raise the E30 in the rear just a little bit. Let's get this thing in the air and swap out some springs. Now, as far as this fitment is, I need to not pop tires while driving because both the rear rub. Also, by raising the rear, it should fix our front fitment just a little bit, hopefully just enough. So, like I said, boys, let's get this thing in the air and swap out some springs. Alright, car's in the air, we can now pull out these springs. This is the current height of our springs. Let's see what else we got in stock. Alright boys, we are now gonna put the springs back in. We're putting the bigger spring on the driver's side for my fat ass, and we're putting the passenger side back in the passenger side. Same height, but the difference is we did not roll the passenger side. Let me toss these in and we'll get to rolling some fenders. So actually, real quick, before we do any rolling on this side, before I had the spring sitting in there like this, and I have since turned it around. It's angled a little bit, and if the farthest part down of the spring is now closer to the bucket, it should raise it. So let's lower it just like this, see if it's made any difference, and if not, we'll roll it. Ten times better, and we still have a crispy fender. From turning that spring around on the other side, I just did it on this side to match, and that plus the bigger spring should, keyword should, make it so we don't have any more rubbing issues on this side, which for whatever reason was a little bit lower.
we should have that all taken care of.
We got our proof of insurance and our title. I'm gonna head to the DMV. We're gonna get the E30 legal. And then the plan for the rest of the day is go pick up a tire, go get the tire mounted, bring it back, put the plate on, put the tire on. We should be good. We're just gonna have to see how this pans out. Let's go to the DMV. All right, boys, we got all our paperwork. Wish me luck. I'll see you guys in just a second. We are done at the DMV. Not only did we get our plates, we got our new title mailed to me, I don't know, over the next couple weeks. Let's head back home.
JFL, baby, just for looks. This thing ain't fast.
Just found a little tire shop that has one tire in the size that we need. I tried asking them if they do stretch over the phone. She didn't really understand, and the call just broke up. Anyways, let's go take this over real quick before they close at 6. We got like an hour, and see if they can mount this tire, come back, put the E30 on the ground again. All right, boys, we should be good. Max Use tires. They got one of the one we need, and let me tell you, I know a good tire shop when I see one. Well-oiled jacks and no jack stands. Can't beat them, can't beat them. I'll see you guys when the tire's put on. Yo, come visit Max Use Tire in Apex. We got her all done up right. Let's go put her on the E30, boys. Also, as soon as I heard the cheetah go off, trying to mount the tire, I knew we were in the right place. Look at this, man. Brand new meat. It's wet because he checked it for leaks, doing all the right things. Let's put this baby on the E30 and take it out for a celebratory cruise. Cambergang.tm. All right, boys, fingers crossed this fitment works out. Absolutely beautiful. Let me make sure the jack is all the way down. Let's take this thing out and see if it rubs. So unfortunately, after the car was put on the ground, she decided to settle, not only on that side but on this side as well. I'm gonna go ahead and just put in these springs in the rear. I understand these were the front ones. This is the exact same setup I would have had on the E90, just with heavier springs. We're gonna try these, which should be a little taller than what we have currently. Wish me luck. Alright, so I don't know how much better this is gonna make it, or honestly if it's gonna make it worse, but you guys just saw me put the new springs in, try to pull / roll the fenders. We're gonna take it out right now since it is 100% legal. Take it around the block. If it starts smoking at all, we turn around and bring it back home. Still trying to work out all the height differences and everything, but let's see how she does. Just kidding, gotta move the skyline. All right, let's do it. Y'all are coming with me. All right, I figured y'all would want a POV of what it's like exiting my driveway. So here we go. Hey, we good, we out. My front left is really low. And I hear this side rubbing a little bit. I'll update you guys in a second. So we took the E30 out. Look how beautiful this thing looks just sitting here. I mean, look at this. How could you not like this polite little gentleman, polite little slab right here? Well, we are rubbing just a hair, as you guys can see. That is it. That is the extent of our rubbing. So I will fix that. That'll take 2 seconds with a screwdriver and we will be just fine. But let's take a second to admire my fully registered and fully insured E30. So beautiful. And guys, that is gonna be about it for today's video. Be sure you guys are going down in the description below, checking out the merch. Be sure you guys are subscribing as well. It's Fitz Miller, the E30, and we'll see you guys in the next one.